Did you know that if you put 3 eggs into a chicken breast, you will have one of the best recipes ever? We'll use 500 grams of chicken. It's already chopped. I'm using the chicken breast, okay, guys? This way, very cut. Then we'll add 3 eggs inside of this bowl. And tell me down here if you knew this recipe before. Now let's season. I'm here using salt, black pepper, and paprika. The amount and the season is to taste. So you can use your favorite seasons, okay, guys? Then let's add 3 tablespoons of butter. And mix it all again. And here you will see that it's already juicy, right? We can't forget the flour. We'll add 100 grams of it, okay? Add everything and then go mixing it. You can replace it by maize starch or rice flour. Then 100 grams of cheese, mozzarella cheese, okay? And also green onion, but it's totally optional. I love the taste of green onion, okay? So that's why I put it. Now mix it all again. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from. Our recipe is almost done. Now in a frying pan with a little bit of oil, we are going to put portions like this, okay? Like a spoon of it. There's no secret, it's super simple and fast. The idea is to make the more rounded you can. After frying on one side, just turn it around to fry on the other side. You don't need to stir it, okay, guys? Just fry it on one side and then the other side. You have to let it fry very well because the chicken has to cook on the inside, all right? So don't let the heat too high because then it will burn on the outside and not cook on the inside. And around here, my chicken is already done and super creamy. I took it off from the frying pan and it's done. I put it on paper towel a little bit just to take out the excess of oil. And guys, you have no idea how delicious it is. Super different for you to make at your lunch or dinner. You have no idea what to do. Then this recipe is perfect. Make it at your house, then come and tell me what you thought about it. And this was today's dish, guys. I hope you liked this recipe. And if you did, don't forget to rate us down here from 0 to 10. Your opinion is super important for us.